To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
In summary, EPF dividends and unit trust returns offer complementary perspectives on long-term savings in Malaysia. EPF reflects stable, predictable growth, while unit trusts reflect market dynamics, shaped by trends, sector allocations, and fund strategies. Recognizing these differences offers a clearer perspective on how long-term savings in Malaysia perform. The UK stock market's strongest showing for 16 years failed to stem sharp outflows from mutual funds focused on domestic equities last year. Retail investors pulled a net £11.1 billion from UK equity funds in 2025, the 10th straight year of outflows, as they ballooned to £71 billion over the past decade, according to data from the Investment Association, the trade body. Indian investors piled into gold exchange-traded funds in January as prices soared amid rising geopolitical risk, surpassing flows into equity funds for the first time, industry data showed on the 10th of February. Last month saw gold climb to record high levels, double where it traded in January 2024 in dollar terms, while investors in Indian equities held back as an agreement to reduce tariffs on Indian exports to the US had yet to be reached. FIMM has reprimanded 4 former unit trust and private retirement scheme consultants for breaching its rules and code of ethics. 3 were found to have submitted falsified academic certificates when applying for registration, resulting in temporary bans ranging from 1 to 2 years. Another consultant was barred for 2 years for separate breaches of FIMM's rules and ethical standards. FIMM emphasized that these actions serve to deter misconduct and reinforce the importance of compliance to protect investors' interests. The Investment Company Institute called on congressional leadership to pass the Bipartisan Generating Retirement Ownership Through Long-Term Holding Growth Act, a bill allowing investors to defer taxation of automatically reinvested capital gains distributions until they sell their fund shares. Investors could see up to $1,340 more in returns over a 10-year period on a $10,000 equity mutual fund investment. The Growth Act would allow Main Street investors to keep more of their own money, incentivize them to keep investing, and make the tax system fairer to around 40 million middle-class Americans. These families rely on investments in mutual funds to save for a house, pay for their children's education, and ensure they have enough money in their senior years, said ICI President and CEO Eric Pan. We strongly urge both chambers of Congress to pass the Growth Act and improve long-term financial security for millions of Americans. Read the latest issue of the e-Zine available at FIMM's official website to stay updated about what's going on in the industry.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.